2019 to 2023 Silverado or Sierra. I'm doing this media port replacement. This is the one that's in the center console. I got a Silverado, an RST 4x4, 2019 with a 5.3 liter. Here's what it looks like inside. And I'm doing this one that's in the center console right here. I have a video on how to do the one on the dash, but today we're just doing this one. Let's go ahead and take out this tray and get some room, and then get a blue interior tool, or it could be any color, or like a plastic pry bar if you have one, and then we're going to just slip it in underneath the sides of this where you can, and then you're just going to slowly wiggle and work your way around until it kind of pops up. Once it pops up, you can kind of pull this out like this, and it has two connectors. One has a gray connector. There's a thumb tab on the gray one. You push it down and pull it back by the connector. The red one, the red tab here is a locking tab. The red part has to be pushed back first before this will be able to undo. Sorry about that. And then here's what it looks like. This is the one that has all the ports on it. And let's look at the part number. It's the 1352627. Now this is a GM parts website I'm looking at. The one on our part right here is this one right here. It looks like it's been superseded by a new part number. But if you look up either one of these part numbers, you should be able to find it, and that's what it fits. On Amazon, they don't have this exact one for sale yet, so you might have to go to a GM dealer to get it. But I'll link it in the future if it becomes available. But once we get our new one here, let's go ahead and plug it in. Just line up your gray connector carefully and push it in. You should hear it click into place. And then your black connector, push the connector in first and then push the red locking tab in last to lock it in place. Try not to twist your wires or, stress the wire harnesses out, and never pull the connectors off by the wires too. I forgot to mention that. And then you just want to kind of line this up as carefully as you can and lower it into the place with the same spot how it was. It could be kind of tricky, but just work it in. It should click into place and lock up. And then if it keeps coming out or whatever, just try to line it up a different way and it should be good. And that's it, guys.
Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. Got a 15% off promo code for oxido.com. They got a handful of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket LED headlights. They've been out a few years now, and at first the lights they had were 200% brighter than regular headlight bulbs. Now they've upgraded the tech this year, and now it's 600% brighter. So if you're in the boonies, the suburbs, the city, I highly recommend you upgrade your bulbs. Nothing wrong with having an old car, but you should get with the times and have bright headlights like everyone else. These bulbs are available on Amazon. However, if you go to the Oxido website, that's where I could give you a promo code for 15% off. All you got to do is go to the website, type in your year, make, and model. There's basically products for every car out there, and what kind of light you want. They have all kinds of different lights for interior, exterior, headlights. And then you just browse to what you need and you get it. And then at checkout, you're going to type in Guillermo Auto and then hit apply in the coupon code spot, and it'll take 15% off.